In today's exercise, we just want to get our fingers moving. So we're just going to do some mini scales up and down the piano, and we're going to do this all on the white notes. So you can pick any note you like to start on. We'll do our right hand first and then our left hand. You want to practice playing with your fingers curved like this, tips of your fingers. Okay, so we're going to start with our right hand. Pick any note you like on the piano. And then you move up and then keep moving up and then come back down again. Now we want to strengthen these two fingers here because if you've never used them before, your little finger and ring finger are going to be really weak and they're going to struggle with these exercises. But if you do them every day, you'll be surprised at how quickly you strengthen your fingers up. So once you've done this with your right, and again, you can start on any note you like, you're then going to try it with your left. It's exactly the same thing, we're just starting on our little finger first. So you can pause the video here and give this a go on your own in your own time. You can go all the way up the piano and then come all the way back again. Or you can stick with me and I'll do 5 in each hand for you to follow. And then back down. We do it with our left hand, so pick any note with your little finger and we'll work our way up. And then back down. So in today's exercise, we're going to do something similar to yesterday, but today we're going to play chords. So a chord is when we play multiple keys at the same time. So we're going to do our right hand first. All we do is pick a note, any note we like, and we're going to play it with our thumb, same as yesterday. But this time we're going to miss one, play one, miss one, play one. And hit 3 notes in this shape. Okay, and remember to keep your fingers curved, very important when playing chords. So you pick a note, play it with your thumb, we miss one, play one, miss one, play one. Now, realistically, you want to use your thumb, your middle finger and your little finger for this. Some people won't be able to use their little finger because it will be too weak. If that's you, then keep on doing exercise 1 for a start because that will really strengthen it up. Or you can use different fingers here. You could use your thumb, your index finger and your middle finger, and this would work as well. But if you can, use your thumb, middle and little finger because this will help strengthen it up. Now all we're going to do is move up and down the piano playing these chords. So we lift, we move all our fingers up 1 and we play. Lift, move all your fingers up 1, play. And we do this all the way up the piano. And when you feel like it, you come back down again. And you can do this as many times as you like or until your fingers start to ache. And then you do the same thing with your left hand. So you pick a note, any note, miss one, play one, miss one, play one. So this is your chord, keeping your fingers curved. In your left hand, use your little finger, middle finger and thumb. If you really struggle, you can try using some different fingers. But if you can, we want little, middle and thumb. And then we can move up the piano. And we move our whole shape up the piano like this. And if you get lost, all you do is stop and start again. Pick a note, miss one, play one, miss one, play one. And then come back down again. So you can pause the video here and do this at your own leisure, all the way up the piano and all the way back again with your right hand and left hand, or just do a few, whatever you feel like, or until your fingers start to ache. But if you want, you can play with me now. I will do 8 in each hand. So I'm going to pick this note here, then we miss one, play one, miss one, play one. So this is our starting position. And then I'm going to move up the piano 8 times. So lift, move up, play. Lift, move up, play. And then come back down. And then I'm going to do the same with my left hand. So you can pick any note. Let's pick a different note. I'll pick this note here. Miss one, play one, miss one, play one. So this is our starting position. And then I'm going to move up 8 times. And then come back down. In today's exercise, we're going to do very similar to what we did yesterday, but we're going to play a broken chord. So what we do for this is we pick any note we like, and play it with our thumb. We're going to create the chord like we did yesterday. So we miss one, play one, miss one, play one. So we've found our chord shape, but this time we're going to play the notes one by one. So we hit our thumb first, and then our middle finger, and then our little finger. Then we come back to our middle finger, back to our thumb. So we're just going up and down using these chord notes that we've made. So thumb, middle, little, middle, thumb. And we're going to do this twice. So I suggest you find your chord first. So put your thumb down, miss one, play one, miss one, play one. So you've got your notes, you've got your fingers on the right notes, and then we're going to do the broken chord twice. So thumb, middle, little, middle, thumb, middle, little, middle, thumb. Okay, so just spend some time practicing that. Okay, and then you're going to move up and do the same thing again. Now if you want, you can find the chord first, so you can hit the chord first and then do the broken chord. And then we move up and do it again. And again, you can go up as far as you like and come back down again. And with this one, you can get quicker. So if you were to practice this, you could start speeding up. And so on up the piano. And you do the same thing with your left hand, you're just starting on the little finger. So pick a note, any note, create your chord, miss one, play one, miss one, play one. Here's our chord, and then the broken pattern up and down twice, starting with the little finger. So little finger, middle, thumb, middle, little finger, middle, thumb, middle, little. And then we move up, and you can play your chord if you like, or you can crack straight on with the broken pattern. Move up and do it again. Okay, so you can pause the video here and do this in your own time, moving up and down the piano at your own leisure. Or you can stick with me, and I'm going to do this 8 times with my right and 8 times with my left. So I'm going to start on this note, and we'll go up and down nice and slowly. You can do it with me. So let's find our chord first. Miss one, play one, miss one, play one. Here's our starting chord, and we'll start with that broken pattern. Move up. Move up. Keep on going. And then move down. Okay, then we're going to do the same thing with our left hand. So pick a chord or a note first, any note. Create your chord, miss one, play one, miss one, play one. Then we're going to start the broken chord with our little finger. Move up. Move up. Move up. And then we come back down again.